Here's a sample assignment task. You can see which learning outcomes will be assessed and the task instructions. The first thing you do is analyse the task, looking for key words. What and who are you writing about? When and where is it happening? And how should you write about it? Each of these how words has a precise meaning. This list is in the library website under Analysing Essay Questions. You can also ask your lecturer to clarify instructions for you. Analyse the learning outcomes and marking criteria for the assignment. You'll find these in Blackboard in the study guide or paper guide. You can make an ideas map to help you structure your assignment. It's organised from the most general to the most specific. And if you need further help to understand your assignment, you can ask your lecturer, chat online with a tutor on Studiosity, go to drop-ins at the library, or book an appointment with a peer mentor. So, to understand your assignment task, look for the key words and read the learning outcomes and marking criteria.